Hello guys, once again, have a good day. Now our topic is about freeze paints. So I will show you using our exercise file, this one. As you can see here, we have the first row or our header. This is the rows. And also, this is the first column. Now, if we will scroll down, look what happened. Our header is not visible. And also, if we will move to the right, our first column also not visible. Now, how to manage this issue in order to remain visible? Either our first column remain visible or first row remain visible. So we will manage this issue by using freeze paints feature, which is we can see here, view and this freeze paints. So we chose the first column or the freeze first column. So meaning this is our first column. If we will choose this feature and we'll scroll to the right, look, our first column remain visible. But look what happened if I will scroll down. Although our first column remain visible, but the header is not visible. So how to manage this issue again? We will unfreeze this feature, then we'll try another freeze top row. So we'll choose this one. Now this is our top row or the header of the table. So what will happen if I scroll down? Look, if we will scroll down, our first row remain visible. And if we will move to the right, look what happened to our first column. So it's not visible. Now why we need to remain visible our first column? This is important because when we example we have hundreds of data, if we will type here, it's confusing for us for which column belong. Either this is part of the category or the supplier. So this is very important feature in order to remain visible our first row. Although our first row visible, but again our first column not visible. So we'll unfreeze again. By this time, we will manage this issue. This first row remain visible, and also this first column remain visible. So I will try to put here, and I will freeze paints. So I scroll down, look, our first row visible, and if I move to the right, look, all are visible first column, second column, and up to column A. So what if you need only here? Why this one happened? Because I put my cursor here. That's why if I scroll down, only this part, our cell will be hiding. Okay, I will unfreeze. If I choose here, in order to remain this header or first row visible, and also first column visible, so we need to put our cursor here. Then view, first panes, and here select. Look what happened. If I will scroll down, our first row still visible, and also if I scroll to the right, our item code also visible. Look, so this is how important this feature in order to manage this particular issue. Thank you.